Hispanics born in the U.S. are at higher risk for obesity and diabetes than their peers born in other countries, which may explain why 52% of Hispanic men and 43% of Hispanic women suffer from heart disease.
A lot of the, Hispanic communities, there is a lack of quality and good supermarkets that we can get fresh fruits and vegetables from. And so that's going to play a major role in, how we are nourishing ourselves.
But Delana says you can still pack nutrition into traditional dishes like Puerto Rican rice with pigeon peas with items from your pantry.
It is a side dish that we eat a lot in the holidays or just every day because it tastes so good and it's jam-packed with nutrition. We use a base of sofrito that's going to give us a lot of vitamins, and then we have the pigeon peas that are going to give us that protein. And then we also have a chicken picadillo, which again, you could use any lean ground meat or protein to make this, and it's a great vehicle to add more veggies and more nutrition to your day. I used onions and peppers. You can add, anything else that you would like. And then I just love to garnish it with some cilantro just for color and more flavor.
And the Heart Smart hack comes from the type of oil you use.
Adding masola to your dishes can definitely help you reduce your cholesterol by 2 times more than when you use extra virgin olive oil. It has natural plant sterols that can help reduce that bad cholesterol. And so it also has a neutral taste. And growing up, my mom always used it for that neutral taste. And now as a dietitian, I know that not only did it help our food shine and really have those flavors pop, but it also helped with our heart health.
Go to Mazola.com/heart for more heart health tips.